Hi, and thanks for taking Pinegrow for a spin. To get started with your free trial, just enter the trial key you received in your email into this field, and then click Start Trial. With that, your 7-day trial is activated. You now have access to all the features Pinegrow has to offer, so you can fully explore its power. Next up, you'll see a dialog showing what's new and improved in the latest version of Pinegrow. Feel free to take a look at the updates, and when you're ready, just click Got It to continue. Pinegrow has a lot of powerful features, and we know it can seem like a lot at first. The very best way to get familiar with everything is to start with the Pine Poems interactive tutorial. While you could click the project thumbnail to jump right in, for now, let's click the Interactive Tutorials button to see all the available lessons. This tutorial is broken down into a series of fun, short lessons. Each one introduces a core feature of Pinegrow. Once you complete the tutorial, we highly recommend watching the intro videos next. Here you'll find guides tailored to different use cases. Besides the Pine Poems tutorial, there's a video for working with an existing website and another one for creating a new website from scratch. For now, let's close this and go back to the main project screen. From this screen, you can start a new project by clicking here. You can then select a framework like Tailwind or Bootstrap and start with a blank page or use one of our ready-made templates. To work on an existing project, click the Open button and select Project. From there, simply select the folder on your computer that contains your website's files. Pinegrow opens your project and you're ready to start editing. And remember, help is always just a click away. Click the help icon in the top right corner, and from the menu, choose Show Help Bubbles. This displays useful tips that explain the different tools and panels, with links to our detailed documentation. If you ever get stuck or need assistance, don't hesitate to reach out. We're always happy to help. Have fun building with Pinegrow.